4 antenna options for Metron Prism registers. The standard stubby antenna for areas with good cellular coverage, the register-mounted paddle antenna when more signal is needed, the paddle antenna on an extension cable, and the pit mount antenna, which mounts in the pit lid. Replacing the stubby antenna is simple. Pull up the rubber boot, unscrew the nut by hand, or use a tool if necessary to get it started. Fitting a new antenna is the reverse process. Use a tool to tighten a little past hand tight. Replace the rubber boot. Here we show how to install a pit mount antenna for a residential water meter. Begin by sliding the upper antenna through the port of the meter's pit lid and tighten the plastic nut to secure it to the lid. For the sake of this video, we're using cardboard in place of a meter pit lid. Next, connect the antenna by screwing the cable connectors together by hand. Finally, bring the two parts of the waterproof housing to each other and screw them together. The antenna has now been connected properly and is ready for transmission. Installing a paddle antenna onto the Prism register is done in the same way as for the stubby. Install the extended cable paddle antenna by screwing it to the exterior of the home's skirting. Run the cable through the skirting to the meter. Connect the cable to the Prism register and hand tighten the nut. Use a tool to tighten just past hand tight. Install the boot and installation is complete.